Quadro Lord, when I dare to be powerful, to use my strength in the service of my vision, that becomes less and less important whether I am afraid. How many of you are ready to show that we can combat our fear when we are together, unified? Unfortunately, yes, yet again, we have yet another teachers union striking. That they are not the first, sadly they will not be the last. As I said before, San Francisco teachers deserve to be able to live in the communities that they teach. And all of us labor, all of us who work for the man, right? We all deserve to live, and by uniting with unions and being part of those labor movements, we together will win. Those in power are afraid of us when we band together, which is why they try to separate us. Do not let them